Hi guys, in today's video we're going to learn about how you can create a PayPal account that can send, receive and withdraw in Zambia in 2025. In the past 3 or 4 years, I've been making videos on how you can create a PayPal account that can send and receive, and some of those methods they're still working, so you can still try them and it will work. For example, the previous video that I made last year about how to create one in 2024, it's still working as of now. You can still try it. Okay, but in this video I've got something even better. So the methods I've shared in the previous videos are a bit long and require you creating an account with third-party platforms that can actually allow you to withdraw money in Zambia. But in today's video, I'm happy to announce that. Okay, by the way, before I even continue any further, just know that PayPal is not yet fully working in Zambia, so you can't really create a Zambian PayPal account and expect it to work to receive money and withdraw. You still cannot do all that. Okay, but starting now, as you are watching this video, or let me just say starting January 2025, all right, you'll be able to receive and also you'll be able to withdraw money. But this will only be possible through my help, and that is the only way you'll be able to actually receive and withdraw. So in this new method, you will no longer have to create an account with platforms like Payoneer or TransferWise for you to be able to withdraw money. So usually in the past, what was needed was for you to create a PayPal business account from any country and then create a Payoneer or TransferWise where they get to give you a USA bank account. And what was happening is that you transfer the money from PayPal to the USA bank account, then from there you transfer it to your Zambian bank account. But as of now, you no longer have to do all that. All you need to do is simply create a PayPal account and to be able to actually withdraw money directly to your Zambian bank account. Yeah, you heard me right? Yes, with my help you'll be able to withdraw money directly to your Zambian bank account, and it's that easy. Okay, but for some of you who do not have a bank account, or some of you who are not able to open up a bank account, this is where I actually come in. I also provide another service called PayPal withdraws. Okay, this is where you actually send your PayPal funds to me, then I send to you the kwacha, either via mobile money or any method that you want to use. Yeah, so now, so unfortunately, I'm not going to show you how to create a PayPal account that can send and receive and withdraw in Zambia. Okay, what you need to do is that I've actually created a course. Okay, but before you get scared, it's not very expensive, it's cheap. Okay, yeah, I've created a PayPal course and it's not free, but it's cheap. It's actually also another way of actually supporting me, since I don't make any money on this channel. But even if you cannot afford this course, don't worry, I've got a lot of videos about this on this same channel. If you got a lot of time, you can simply go through and you'll be able to do everything on your own. Yeah, but to save yourself time, I encourage you to get this course. So I've created the course that's going to teach you everything on how you're going to create, okay, how you're going to verify, and how you can actually receive, and most importantly, how you can withdraw directly in Zambia. Yeah, so in this course, you learn from anywhere. Okay, you learn from anywhere. You learn at any time of your choice. Okay, and you learn at your own pace. Okay, so the course is actually on my website. It's an e-learning platform. All you need to do is simply pay, get a course, and can begin learning and can do it yourself. But if you're not tech-wise, if you feel like you can't manage learning, or you feel like you can't really manage to create an account and do everything on your own, I also offer a service where I actually get to create everything for you. Okay, and for that I also charge a fee. So that will depend with what you would like me to do for you. If you're just creating the account, it will be cheap, but if it's also helping you with other stuff, yeah, that will incur another charge. So it's custom. That's why I can't say the price, because the price will depend on what you need to do. Some of you may already have PayPal accounts and probably you won't have to start creating from scratch, so I can't really give a price. So this is why it should be customized. Yeah, so to get started, all you need to do is simply WhatsApp me on this number 0977 77 0202. Yeah, so today I actually did transfer some money from my PayPal account to my Zambian bank account. So for only, like, if you want to prove that this actually really works, I think, yeah, I did record the video in the afternoon, so watch the video right now and you'll be able to see for yourself that it actually works. By the way, this method works, is instant. Okay, once you press withdraw, the money arrives in your bank account instantly. So there's nothing like having to wait for 3 working business days. Everything is instant. So this is Keith. If you learned something from this video, give it a like. For more videos like this, go on and subscribe.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this,